Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first map for the eufy S2. If you're interested in the S2, the link to it will be in the video description. So we're in the eufy app right now. Take a look, we have all of our devices. So you will have already set up your eufy S2 and you'll select it from your list of devices. And now we need to create our map. We do not have a map there. You can hit that start button and go through the initial prompts that way, or if for some reason you don't see that, you can also find in the top right-hand corner the settings gear icon. Scroll down to manage maps and you can create a map. Why this is important is after you have your first map created, then you can come back to these exact settings and you can add another map, right? With that plus icon in the top right-hand corner. So you can do multi-level mapping. You can manage all of that right here. But in this case, we need to create our first map. So select that big blue button, create a map. They have tips and tricks for you. Basically, open up all the doors to the rooms that you want to map. Remove obstacles and objects along the floor just to make things as efficient and easy as possible for it as it's getting started. Then we can select the getting started option. And now
quick mapping.
It's going to dispatch from the station and start to do a quick map. So for us, we're going to go place this exactly where we want it. And we'll do that again so we can create its map. So we're back here with the position where we want it. We're going to select create a map, get started. Now it's going to dispatch. It's going to leave the station. It's going to go out and map, and we'll wait for it to come back to the station and for the map to populate. It'll take 5-ish minutes, 5 to 10 at the most, depending on how large your house is and how many rooms it has to navigate and map. All right, that took less than 10 minutes for us. Mapping is completed. Currently it's showing it's charging. Furniture detection in progress, so please wait. We have an edit map icon on there as well too. We have a little prompt here. Detect a carpet, try carpet cleaning. But let's look at the map. Room 1, room 4, room 3. And this area is a stairwell. It can't even drive down there, so it did a really nice job. Now we have a prompt to add carpet. I'll decline that for now. Come over here. I mean, it's populated bathroom. That's correct. Room 1. That looks really good map-wise. But let's go ahead. Let's select the edit map option. And now you'll see what we have right here. Merge, divide, rename, no-go zones, carpet editing, and floor material. So we can build out and repopulate and edit our map that way. So very simple and straightforward to create a map with the eufy S2. Once it's created, then you can go in and edit the map as you see fit using all those settings right there.